Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw another book character, and that is David. So I hope you guys get to follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with David, we're going to begin with his head, and we're going to make a circle shape. So let's begin right here. I'm going to make a tall, sad face right here. Then I'm going to make a big smiley face right here for his head. Starting here, I'm going to draw a half circle for one ear and a half circle for his other ear. We'll draw a little black dot for one eye. We'll leave some space, then we'll make a little black dot for the other eye. For his nose, we're going to draw a triangle shape right here in the middle. And we're going to put two black dots on there. Then we're going to make two little kind of curved lines for his eyebrows. Right here, we're going to make a big smiley face. And then underneath it, let's make a really tall smiley face shape. Now, once we do the teeth, his teeth are a little bit pointed. So we're going to not make them sharp, but kind of make them rounded for the pointed teeth. So we'll put some on top and then some on the bottom. He does kind of look a little bit like a jack-o'-lantern. Starting here, we're going to draw two little lines that come down for his neck. Now to make his body, we're going to make an oval shape. So I'm going to begin by drawing an oval shape for his body. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. And then we'll draw another line that comes up, and you can see it's getting a little bit wider out here and a little bit closer together down here. Now out here, I'm going to put four little points on here for his fingers. And then we'll draw the other arm over here. So we'll do that same thing. We'll draw a line that's just going to curve up and down. And then we'll do the same thing, and we'll get a little bit wider as we come out. Then we're just going to put some points, and I'll put a fifth point out here for his thumb. Now right here, I'm going to draw a little line for his shirt, and another little line right here for the sleeve of his shirt. Then we'll make two little lines that come across here for his belt, with two little lines that come down, and we'll put a little line right in the middle. Now let's draw two lines that come down here for his leg with a line across. I'll do the same thing here. Two lines. I'm going to make these a little bit longer so it looks like he's kind of leaning a little bit, and then we'll connect it. For his shoe, let's just make an oval shape, and we'll do another one here. We're just going to make an oval shape. I'll draw a little line across the top for his socks. We'll draw a line right down the middle. And then we're going to make some lines down. Then I'm going to put a couple dots on here too. Now he's got stripes on his shirt, so let's draw 2 lines here and 2 lines here. We'll draw 2 lines here and 2 more lines right here. Now I'm going to make him holding a paper airplane. So I'm going to start by drawing a line that's going to come down and then it's going to jump over. Then we're going to turn this into a triangle. So we're going to draw a line that comes down and then we'll connect it. I'm going to draw another line that comes out. And we're going to make another line that comes up and connect it at an angle. I'm going to make another line that comes up. We're going to go all the way down. And we'll draw another little skinny line in here. And there you go. There is your drawing of David. If you want to, you can always go and add a couple little lines up here on the top for some hair as well. I know it's kind of hard to see it in the books, but he does have a little bit of hair. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.